From time to time, people will ask me, why did I start Osborne Wood Products? I was a first-class welder and I really enjoyed working with my hands. But as occupation was dirty, that is when the seeds started to grow in my mind, and I started to think about something in working with wood, a clean, environmentally friendly occupation. And as a young man, I thought, if I am ever going to be in business, I want my faith values to be the fabric of how we do business. And so today, we ask ourselves questions about faith every day. These are the background of our values. Since 1979, we've been offering quality products to our customers nationwide and worldwide. We are committed to partnering with you for success by offering superior service, world-class innovation through forward thinking, and a culture of caring.